Welcome again to our bird series. In this part, we will explore more amazing birds, their incredible abilities and fascinating habits. Let's continue our journey into the wonderful world of birds. Peacock. The peacock is one of the most famous and beautiful birds in the world. The male has a huge, colorful tail that it spreads like a fan to attract a mate. Peacocks live in forests and grasslands, and it eats insects and small animals. Their loud calls can be heard from far away. When a peacock dances and spreads its tail, it is a stunning display of color and beauty. Peacock is the national bird of India. Barn swallow. Barn swallows are sleek birds with long, forked tails. They are amazing flyers, catching insects in midair with precision. Swallows build mud nests under roofs, bridges, or cliffs. They migrate long distances every year, traveling thousands of kilometers to find warmer weather. Their quick and graceful flight makes them a joy to watch in the sky. Hawk and eagle. The hawks and eagles are powerful birds of prey with sharp eyes and strong talons. They can spot small animals from very high in the sky and swoop down at amazing speed to catch them. Eagles have very strong beaks to tear meat, and they build large nests on cliffs or tall trees. These birds are known for their courage, strength, and ability to soar high for hours, using warm air currents to glide without flapping. And that is the end of this part of our bird series. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds and their fascinating habits. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel JK Knowledge Climax so you won't miss the next part. Stay curious and see you in the next video.